friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are going to do a very fun video here on my channel that I haven't done in a little while, but that is my Stitch Fix unboxing for April. So it's been, like I said, a minute since I've done one of these unboxings, and this is a little box for what I'm normally used to getting from them, but I'm excited to see what's inside. And I did put in a request for dresses for a wedding because you can submit in the notes of your order like the kinds of items that you're looking for if there's anything in particular. And I do have a few weddings coming up this year that I'm going to be planning on attending, so I wanted to see if there were some fun dresses that they could send me. So we'll see what they, if any, they included, but I'm excited to jump into this month's box, so let's go ahead and dive right in. Okay, so jumping in, it looks like they did send me a couple of dresses. We, as always, will try them on person and see what they look like on my body. But the first one is, I can already tell, probably something I'm not gonna totally love, but this looks like a cute Lauren by Ralph Lauren heavy, like, wrap dress with the long sleeves, and then it's got these red little, like, flower detail on them. It's not super long. It looks like it'd be like a midi or a short length on me, but this is the Ralph Lauren dress in Colora knit, in the Colora knit dress in black size 0. So again, not totally my vibe, my style, but I potentially might be going back into the office soon for my job within the next couple months, so something like this could be nice to just wear at the office. We'll try it on, we'll see what we think. Let me know what you guys feel about it in the comments down below, as always. But the price for this one also looks like is about $98. So kind of a hefty price tag for something like this, but we'll see. Okay, next we have, it looks like another dress, and this, ooh, okay, this might speak to me just a little bit more. This is definitely more my vibe, but this looks like a sleeveless kind of, again, wrap style dress that's a little cinched on the side. Just goes down very basic at the bottom, and this is the Avalon Studio Lane Ruched knit dress in olive size small. It's a little see-through, it's a little sheer if you guys can tell, but it looks like it's double lined in the front, which is nice, so it's not quite as see-through that way. So this might be cute for the summer. I could try this on. Let me know what you guys think about this one. And the cost for this is $48. Sorry, I'm looking at my little cheat sheet down here. All right, so it looks like the next item we have is another dress, and this is a little more heavy of a knit material, it looks like. Again, kind of that like high neck, sleeveless vibe. This is a little more of like a t-shirt style, a little more flared at the bottom with these really pretty rose detail, or not roses, like flower details on here with the orange and the pink. This is the Fortune and Ivy, which they use a lot at Stitch Fix, Madia brushed knit dress in black size small, and this one is, hold on, $40. So pretty good price. It feels a little not cheaper, but like, you know, a little more knit, not sticky. What's that thing where it's like very static, clingy? I don't know what I'm saying right now, but we'll try it on. You guys, as always, let me know what you think. Okay, and the second to last thing we got is something that I already know I'm gonna send back, which is a little unfortunate because I cannot keep white things clean. It's a struggle, but this is actually a really cute white denim jacket. I already can tell this will probably be really cute on, and I really wish it was in another color, but this is the Liverpool Colton denim jacket in white size small. I really like the style of this. It's very stretchy, which feels like it'll be really comfortable. It's really cute with like the little button details on the back. Basic denim jacket, very stretchy, but no, you can't keep white things clean. Don't do it. Don't do that to yourself. Don't do it. You won't be able to keep it clean. And the jacket price for that is $88. Okay, the last thing we have here is a cute little lace top by Market and Spruce. Again, another brand they use quite a bit at Stitch Fix. And this is the Market and Spruce Hanes Crochet front top in black size small. So again, maybe with going back in the office, this would be a cute shirt to use. Normally, I'm not a super huge vibe of these. This kind of looks a little mature to me. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of this. It's got the little zip detail in the back. I think just because this is kind of the vibe my mom wears a lot, that's why I kind of associate with being a little more mature, but you could probably style this really cute. We'll have to try it on. We'll have to see what it looks like. And the price for this one is $58. Alright friends, so that is everything that I got in this month's box. Now let's go ahead and try everything out on my body. Alright friends, that is everything that I got in this month's Stitch Fix. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Let me know as always down in the comments below what your favorite item was. I love getting your guys' feedback. Subscribe to see more of my face and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.